as after all, tabernacle in Latin means sanctuary. In Hebrew, it also means dwelling place, which was the perfect pretext for the site-responsive residencies that ensued under the banner Tab Lab Lab Tab. We wanted, and still want to explore the uniqueness of this building, historically and architecturally, and encourage experimentation and new approaches to cultural interaction. The excavation of ideas is the very foundation of our approach, and I believe that that bedrock, like the great urn behind me, should remain. I was here when the former custodians handed back the keys to Edward Hiller from Austin Estates, which was, as you can imagine, a hugely poignant and powerful moment. And I felt an enormous responsibility. I hope that I have honoured its significant and important past through the work that I have programmed here thus far, but I acknowledge that it's time to open up the doors and let the transformation of the tabernacle transcend. So what next? Be nesa? Well, let's appropriate proper Baptist behaviour and retire to the warmth of the vestry to discuss it over tea and cake over the fine tabernacle china. Diolch yn fawr a pob bendith. A diolch yn fawr am pawb. Thank you very much for all participating.